Yeah, that's the bathroom in the back, and you have the bathroom right here.
You had somebody in it. How many people had in it? Just one person?
It was two people.
Two people?
Yeah, it was two people that owned it. It was an older couple.
Also, just one person.
Yeah, one person was a couple.
You on the dash?
It's just this is all vinyl leather, so it looks like that. Just like in that real nice one, it's just cleaner. Stop and see something that something like that.
Yeah.
Got a hitch on it already, but it depends on how much you have. Because most Class A's aren't going to have it. But this is about as much storage as you're going to get on one. Yeah, there's not. Everything about on this from the top board. 2012. It's about 40 foot.
Yeah, yeah.
The thing about this one is,
Boy. Moving house.
king size bed, full king size bed instead of an RV king size bed. Everything in it's hardwood. It's real tile on the ground. It's got a rubber mat underneath it that flexes with it. And it's a diesel, so diesel pushes right up over, up to 1,000,000 miles. So that's what they're made for. I mean, this one has 14,000 miles on it. So it's got another 60,000 miles where it needs to work in. Like one of their big selling points is everything in it. It's going to be wood. It's all hardwood. It's all hardwood units. 129. That's what they got listed. I'll just be honest with you.
Made me feel it. Huh?
Yeah, it's right out of line. This is going to be about the most expensive one. Actually, I think this may be the cheaper one. Hold on, let me check. But it's going to sleep right at 5 feet.
5 feet.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's 101. But I do have another 30 footer that's listed at 835 right now. It's a lot like this one. It's a little different setup in it. Because I have a 30 footer that also has bunks in it as well. That way you can sleep in it computer. Sure.
Nice though.
And it's up. So you got a sleeper here. This turns into a sleeper as well. Your bunk, and then two people under that. Yeah, this can come down in between. It lays down, and then the cushion play on top of it to make the bed.
You got this darker like this one?
I got. Let me check my other 30 footers I have. I got a Freedom Elite 30 footer. It'll be. I'm not sure what color that one is. It's dark and you got the bugs in it. And it's a Thor motorhome.
You got a back tail separate back here.
Yeah. And then this folds down up here. So this turns down into a bunk.
73.
Yeah, let me get the info on this one, man.
Sure.
And show me that last plate you say.
Not a problem. I don't know if you know much about generator, but it's about a $8,000 generator. Bunks there. This also right here, this slides down into a bed right over the seats. This flips out into a little bed here, and that turns into a bed as well.
Like this one right there.
It's got a little more room to it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the way we need to info on.
You get too big a hurry, long as it is.
Okay, so they fit in here.
Is it sold?
It's saying that it's not showing sold on here. That's something I'll have to check. Yeah, this don't have it. It's looking about $5,000. You're losing about 5 feet inside.
I've been on it for 6 years, man.
All day, every day. The air show's going on. It shakes the entire building. I'm doing those jet flies and flows.